Are you planning to build a successful career in pharmaceutical manufacturing? Whether you're a pharmacy student, a fresh graduate, or an industry professional, choosing the right certification courses can give you a competitive advantage. In this video, we'll review the top 5 pharmaceutical manufacturing certification courses available on Pharma Lesson Masterclass. Number 1. Introduction to Pharmaceutical Manufacturing. This beginner-friendly course covers the complete pharmaceutical manufacturing workflow, including GMP principles, dosage forms, granulation, compression, coating, packaging, process validation, batch manufacturing records, and batch packaging records. It's the perfect starting point for anyone entering pharmaceutical manufacturing. Number 2. Basic GMP. Good manufacturing practice is the foundation of pharmaceutical quality. This course explains GMP principles, documentation, facilities, equipment, sanitation, personnel responsibilities, and production controls. Essential knowledge for professionals working in manufacturing, QA, or QC. Number 3. Introduction to FDA 21 CFR. Part 211. If you're aiming to work with products for the regulatory market, understanding FDA CGMP regulations is essential. This course provides a practical introduction to the key requirements of 21 CFR Part 211, helping you understand compliance expectations for pharmaceutical manufacturing. Number 4. Fundamentals of EU GMP. Annex 1. Sterile manufacturing requires strict contamination control. This course explains the latest EU GMP Annex 1 requirements, including contamination control strategy, clean room management, aseptic processing, environmental monitoring, and regulatory expectations for sterile manufacturing. Number 5. GMP Audit Readiness. Regulatory inspections are part of every pharmaceutical manufacturing facility. This course teaches how to prepare for GMP audits, manage documentation, respond to auditors, handle observations, and maintain an inspection-ready quality culture. Whether you're starting your career or upgrading your professional skills, these courses will help you become industry-ready. To learn more and enroll, visit Pharma Lesson Masterclass. You'll find the course links in the video description.